Hey, how you doing? It's Garage Door Mike. I'm going to show you 18 by 7.6 Canyon Ridge 5-layer with insulated rain etched windows, 20-inch radius jack shaft. This is a total custom job, and I'm going to show you why as soon as we go to the inside. But the outside, as you can see, is absolutely spectacular. I will say this, in my 37-year career, this was the heaviest top section I've ever lifted in my life. I blew my back out with two other guys. All of our backs are hurting. If you ever put one of these doors in, this 18 by 7.6, you better have at least 3 to 4 people that are in good shape. Otherwise, you are going to the hospital. I'm going to tell you that right now. All right. Obviously, the 5-layer, absolutely spectacular looking. You cannot tell that this is faux wood whatsoever. It's absolutely beautiful. And what highlights it to me is this rain insulated glass. I think this looks absolutely stunning on this garage. We're going to trim it with white weather strip, obviously. Okay. Just beautiful. Look at that. Absolutely awesome looking. Clopay's got to lower their price on this, and I'll sell a ton more. I believe they overcharge for it too much. People are willing to pay for it. Obviously, I have sold a bunch of these, but I would sell twice as many if they would lower the price more. The other version of this door, Canyon Ridge, looks good, but when you put the 5th layer on there, it looks absolutely awesome. Let's bring you into the inside and show you all the custom work we did and the bloopers that clopay doesn't do. So first of all, this door, they give you those cheese ball black 11 ball wheels. No way. This door weighs way too much. All the wheels we upgraded to our bulletproof 13 ball zinc plated. We use long stems on the bottom and long stems on the top. And you can see this is a total custom bracket I made for this glass panel that weighs 10,000 pounds. So that's a dual end style top. They did give you the big drums and 3 3/4 ID springs. Okay. So that got all done. And then the long stem wheel with the 20-inch radius, we had to cut a little bit. And then we absolutely center hung this. And then we put a nice little bracket right back there at the top. Shimmed it with a 1x over here. This was a rehab garage where they jacked the whole garage up 2 feet. So when they jacked this garage up, it actually moved this way. For every foot, it went about an inch or two this way. So they had to come along it back that way 16 inches. So the exact same track was cut. So this side, you can see we put a 2x and like not a 1x, but you can see. And then obviously this got center hung as well. We put a reinforcement bracket over here on this side. This track was kind of, I don't know, it's kind of tweaking weird, so I put that over here. Another thing that clopay needs to do on their 20-inch radius, you need to put another slot for another screw in the middle. They don't do that. So I put a washer there, washer up there, and I did the same thing on the other side. I know it's kind of loud in here with the that torpedo heater, but it's like 10 below 0 right now. This door goes up super smooth. There it is, all the way open. You can see there's snow on the ground, and it is absolutely freezing out, so we're just gonna close this real quick and close the video. Canyon Ridge, 5-layer. I don't know the color. I might edit something in with a different part of the video. You can see how thick this thing is. It's almost 3 inches thick. It's urethane insulated, and the glass is absolutely beautiful. 3 3/4 ID, coupler, solid shaft, and a jack shaft. Absolutely awesome install. I'm going to take you outside to close the video. There it is. Awesome. Awesome door. For all your Canyon Ridge needs, Innovative 630-271-9343. www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. We'll like you. Thanks for watching our Canyon Ridge 5-layer 18x7.6 with insulated rain, top window glass, REC 13. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching.